This is our state-of-the-art $2.5 million, 24,000 square feet apprenticeship school here at the Birmingham Electrical BEJATC. We're going to take a video tour of it and let you see that what we got is the best there is to offer in this industry. This is where our students take their break during the mid-time of their schooling. As you can see, on the walls are our sponsors that help us with being vendors at events and help sponsor our apprentices throughout the year. These are the leaders in the electrical industry, tool manufacturers, as well as material manufacturers we have that sponsor along with us. These are our classrooms. We have 10 classrooms for everyday use. That's between 20 to 30 apprentices per class. We have, this is our conduit lab and craft certification. As you can see, we have triple nickels, which are 555 electrical benders. We have smart benders. We have Chicago type benders. We have one shot and cam track benders. We have hand benders. We have a conduit fabrication table here. We have a threading machine. And we have a craft certification set up for wood studs, transformers, panels, lay-in light fixtures, 3- and 4-way switching, can lights. This is a mock setup of everything that you would commonly find in a commercial application. We have a metal stud set up in the back that we're going to show in a minute. This is one of our standard classrooms. As you can see, we have a projector for the instructor. Students sit around. These classes last 4 hours once a week. From 5:30 to 9:30 with one break in between. We have 5 years of apprenticeship school, starting at first year, going through the 5th, and also we do journeyman upgrade training and CECW training here. This is our VDV lab room where we teach everything from local area network, fiber optic, Cat 5, Cat 6, patch panels, horizontal cabling, different areas of voice data video work that we train our wiremen, we train our apprentices, and we train our CECWs in. This is all low voltage. This is our transformer and motor control lab. We have labs set up for all the students. Also, we have an instrumentation lab, a $20,000 piece of equipment that has its own PLC with valves and different controls for instrumentation. We also have a fire alarm system set up. This is every piece of possible fire alarm equipment with its own panel, and this is where our students learn how to put fire alarm into commercial applications. That is one of our many transformer trainers here at the school. It's everything, all the different transformers that you could possibly have, and our electronics lab equipment. This is our computer lab. We have these stations built in. All the new schooling's online, and we have a lot of research that we have to do online. So we have these stations set up for our apprentices and our journeymen to use as we see fit. This is our warehouse area. We have craft certification booths set up here where you have to run conduit. We have push button stations. We have 3- and 4-way switching. We have transformers in this area. We have to physically wire this transformer up. This is our new commercial building project. Inside this building we have blueprints for everything from power to telephone, cable, lighting, security. Every aspect of a commercial building will be placed into this application. And our apprentices and our journeyman wiremen will have to install this just as they would install on a commercial project. There will be timed for productivity as well as tested for accuracy. We'll have a inspector come in and inspect and make sure that all of our work is up to code, and they'll have to do this before they pass our apprenticeship program. These are our welding labs. You can see our sponsors are Miller and Lincoln. We have these booths set up as well as this craft certification table to where they have to test before they pass. This is a very popular class that we give. There's an extreme shortage of welders in the industry, and with passing this certification, you're allowed to weld at our powerhouses. And that's about it for our school. As you can see, it's a vast school. It's big. It's state of the art. It gives us all the areas of electricity to learn the whole trade, which is a very vast trade. We have 5 years, 1 night a week to do it, but we'll never cover all of it in those 5 years, so we train our journeymen after they graduate. We also are fixing to start a VDV apprenticeship school, so that's a 3-year program so that we can tackle that end of our industry. It's amazing how much money we have tied up in training, but we can never get enough. So come be a part of our apprenticeship school.